Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. Meal prep is essential for me, especially before hitting the road for work. I end up in a lot of small towns, and I prefer to be very well prepared rather than scramble or starve. So in this week's episode, you'll get an idea of what I eat on the run while I'm traveling for work in various small towns. Perhaps if you're vegan and on the road for work, this may help you out as well. So without further ado, let's get on with the show. It's a good idea to wash and prepare any produce you might need in advance. It's a good idea to have some frozen veggies as well. They keep the cooler cold and you can use them. They make for simple meals. I pre-washed a whole bunch of lettuce for salads and sandwiches. I prepared a couple of salads to go as well. Be sure to have your sandwich ingredients, such as our Eve's veggie turkey here. Fresh baby carrots for snacking on is great. Pre-sliced onions for cooking sandwiches and salads. Some garlic hummus for sandwiches and dressings too. We got some sourdough bread and our spread and brand apple with smoked vegan cheese. This has a smoky cheddar flavor and it's easy to spread. It's a good idea to have smaller size bottles for sauces and spices. We got our soy sauce, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, cinnamon, a blend of Italian seasoning, and here it is. The first dish I had ready to go is a Ghanaian-inspired dish called red. I used kidney beans rather than cowpeas or black-eyed peas. I also made my own plantain chips. I prepared extra rice so that it could be ready for other meals as well. Stay tuned into my channel for this recipe in a future episode, perhaps next week. Another dish I made with the extra rice was a fried rice type dish. I used just egg and a melange of veggies. And I had some extra kidney beans that I threw in as well. Shimmy quite enjoyed it and said it reminded him of a risotto. I did add the smoked applewood vegan cheese in there and a little bit of soy sauce as well.
Almost like a risotto.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's risotto-esque.
I guess the flavors.
Highly recommend it. I think you should try it again at home for viewers.
I pre-cooked some capelletti pasta, the unstuffed variety, making sure that it was a little under al dente. And I also use the Beyond Steak plant-based seared tips. This way at the end of the night, you just have to fry up all those beautiful veggies in our red sauce, mix it all together, and there's not much cook time left. Makes for a delicious, satisfying meal at the end of the workday. To my surprise, the chef made a vegan Beyond breakfast sandwich. I had to add my own condiments though. Here's the delusional sauce I had, the Tequila Citrus Reaper hot sauce made in Hamilton. I was also given a nice fruit bowl. One of the nights I indulged with something from Odd Burger. Since it wasn't too far, I opted for the buffalo chicken burger and the fries supreme, which was a little too supreme for me. I only was able to take 2 bites of the fries and shimmy finish the rest. And I had a strawberry vegan milkshake for dessert. The 2 Bears frothed oat latte was nice to go along with my Just Egg vegan scrambled egg, which had a mixture of veggies, of course. Pomegranate juice was a delightful pairing for this meal. Another breakfast was my Nature's Path Organic Mesa Sunrise cereal with raisins, along with some oat milk. So there you have it, everyone. I shared with you some of the meals I ate while on the go for work in small towns usually. I hope this has helped you out if you're vegan and traveling for work and end up in a lot of small towns. And even if you're not vegan, perhaps it has helped you in some way. Feel free to drop me a line down below. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, remember to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell notification icon so you get notified each time a new video pops up. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen, in my hotel, and perhaps in yours. Bon appetit.